in today's lecture, we are just going to dispatch this create product action. For that, open create product.jsx, and inside this, first we are just going to access the state. Scroll up. Below this, write const. I will access success. I will access loading, and also I'm just going to access error. Here, I will be using use selector hook. Inside this, I will be passing state.admin. In this way, from admin state, I will access success, loading and error. Below this, I will be creating one more variable dispatch, and for this, I'm just going to assign this use dispatch hook. And both the hooks are imported from React-Redux. And when we have to dispatch this create product action, as soon as we submit the form, we have to dispatch our action. So below this, I will be writing dispatch, and inside this, I'm just going to pass this create product. Let me copy the function name, come to admin slice. I will copy and inside this paste. Remove last letter, hit enter. This action will be imported, and inside this, I have to pass this complete my form data as the payload. And this payload we have already accepted, and accordingly we will be passing inside this link. Now scroll down. Below this, we are just going to handle error and success message. So here I will be creating use effect. Inside this, I will be passing this callback function. Here I will be checking if I am having any error, then toast.error. Inside this, whatever error we are having in the backend, that error we are going to pass. And second, we will be passing the position. For that, let me open home.jsx, copy this complete position, and inside this paste. And after that, I'm just going to dispatch this remove errors. And from this admin slice, I'm just going to import this action. And in same use effect, I will also use for this success. If success is true, open this, copy this complete toast. Here I will be pasting. In place of error, I will pass success. And here I will give the message as product created successfully. And instead of remove error, I will be passing remove success. And from this admin slice, I'm just going to import these actions. And finally here, I will be passing dependency array. Inside this, I will pass dispatch, I will pass error, and finally, I will be passing success. Now scroll down. Here, we are having this create button. For this, what we will do, remove. I will check if this is loading, then display the text as creating product. Else, display this create. Now come to project, admin dashboard. Click on this create product. Now I will be giving pant. Let us see if we are able to create or not. I will give the price as 900. Product description. Let me just give this. Category. Let me just add one more category. Inside this create product, let me scroll up. And here I will be adding pant. Come here. I will be selecting the category. Product stock. I will be passing 54. Choose file. From here, I will select this, and finally this. Click on open. So in total, I will be having 4 reviews. Now I will click on create product. You can see I am having creating product because it will be taking some time to upload all the images in Cloudinary. So we will wait. Okay, now you can see I am having product created successfully. But here the problem is after product is created, my fields are not emptied, and also I am not redirected to admin dashboard. Now I will come to products. Now I am having more than 4 products. So here I will have this pagination. I will click on this. You can see this product is displayed. If I click on this, here I will have product image. But till now in our project, we have not added the selected images. So we will not be having, but successfully we are able to create the product. You can see whatever description we have added, whatever stock we have added, everything is visible. Now let me come to admin dashboard, all products, and inside this also, here I will be having the product, and just now at this time I have created the product, so I will be having this result. But now after creating the product, our form is not cleared. So what I will do, scroll down inside this use effect. If this is successful, inside this if block itself, below this I will be passing set name. For this I will assign empty string. Same way I will copy. Next we are having set price. Then we are having set description. Then here I will be passing set category. Then set image. For image, we have to assign empty array. And finally, we are having set image preview. And for this also, we have to assign empty array. And also, let me select paste. Here I will be passing set name. And finally, we have to clear stock. I will copy. Inside this, I will be passing stock. Now come to project. Click on this. I will be passing test. Product price, I will be passing 43. Description, I will be passing test 1. Category, I will select TV. Stock, I will be passing 3. Choose files. And from here, I will be selecting this watches. Click on open. Now click on create. Now it is creating the product. Let us wait and see if all the form is cleared or not. Now product is created successfully. Once I have the message, you can see my entire form is cleared. Now I will come to admin dashboard. Now inside this, if I click on all products, I will also have this image for test.